basically it's given me the independence I had before when I was able-bodied. I think to a certain extent, if I hadn't got the independence I've got, I think how would my life be? A lot harder. With all due respect, I do a sterling job, but I couldn't be in a care home. Here, I got the independence to do what I want to do when I want to do it, the same as when I was walking. And I'm lucky as well because I've got the experience. I'm able to organise everything myself, and I do. You know, and I like the fact that I work in conjunction with the taxman as well, if you like. You know, I sort out the staff's tax, the stamp. I've got a good accountant. Everything's done, and I don't feel pressured. I'm lucky. Well, I've got a good relationship with the council. I'm a big believer as well as I said before, that cross the T's, dot the I's. Make sure everything runs right. Quarterly figures are sent into the council. The accountant does that every 3 months. And everything's fine with them. You know, I account for every penny because I can't afford anything to go wrong. And I certainly would like to see anybody else getting it wrong. They need to get it right. From my experience with the council and the staff, perfect relationship as far as I'm concerned. Perfect relationship. And it works. And of course, being on the direct payments steering group with the local council here, I get an insight into what's going on. You know, I'm able to voice my opinion. I can't speak highly enough of them, you know. They're a cracking bunch. And again, big hearts. It's like every year now, I save up through the year for my kids, for my grandkids. And I also save up as well to take my staff every year. I take them all out for lunch. And I get them all a Christmas presents and vouchers and what have you. But that's my way of saying thank you. I appreciate the fact that they were listened. They've got 2 disabled people in wheelchairs on that steering group, which is a good thing. It's not just all about able-bodied council workers. You know, the council wanted a couple of disabled people on the committee for their opinion, so that they could get a general opinion. As I say, the other member and myself, we don't promote us. It's not about us and our disabilities, it's about the big picture. And the council listen. And I've got a good rapport, a good relationship with them. They're all good people. Yeah. Direct payments is the way to go. Yeah.